can I interest you in some iguana?
Oh, I'm okay, thank you.
Iguana on a stick. It's one of the most sought after treats in the Fallout wasteland, and today we're gonna make it. Or maybe we'll just use chicken, but this recipe comes from the Fallout cookbook and requires the following: olive oil, red wine vinegar, ginger, garlic, dried oregano, and honey. Then for our kebabs, or the stick, we of course have red onion and chicken. Iguana. We're going to start off by mixing half a cup of olive oil and red wine vinegar to make a nice Mediterranean boba. Then we'll add in our honey, dried oregano, ginger, and garlic, and we'll move that over to a food processor to blend it all up. Next, we need to prepare the red onion into kebab-sized chunks. I like my red onion a bit smaller on those, so we're just going to cut this into, I don't know, sixths, being sure to separate the layers. Then we'll do the same for our chicken, and be sure to do it in this order if you're following along so that you're not getting raw chicken all over your vegetables. You know, best practice and stuff. We'll then add that to a bag, cover in our marinade, and mix before putting it in our fridge for at least 2 hours. Now, many hours later, as I was making other recipes, we'll assemble our kebabs, alternating between red onion and chicken. Then we'll grill them. Now the recipe is done, we can taste it and review it. I feel like all kebabs, no matter the marinade, kind of just fall into the same flavoring. Sometimes it's more lemon flavored, but it's pretty much the same across the board. That being said, this is really good. I like kebabs, but they're kind of basic, so I'm probably just gonna stick with a 7 out of 10 for this one. But either way, this is Iguana on a stick. Let me know if you've tried it. Otherwise, stay tuned, subscribe as we continue going through the whole Fallout cookbook.